Should I crack my own back and neck? And I'm sorry to say that the answer is no. I'm Dr. Kathleen Barnett, and I'm going to explain why this is not a good idea. First reason is because you're always cracking the same segments over and over again. So they're becoming hypermobile and basically creating the urge to be cracked. And that's why you want to do it over and over again. So it's a habit. Second reason is because you're actually causing the other vertebra above and below, the joints, I should say, above and below, to become tighter in an attempt to stabilize the spine. And they become inflamed, and then they cause pain. So a lot of the reasons why patients come into my office with neck pain is actually because they've been cracking their own back and neck, and now they've caused their own neck pain from doing that. The third reason is because of injury. You can injure your vertebra, your arteries, your nerves. I actually had a patient who came in, he was only in his 30s, and he had had a fusion on his neck. And I was like, what did you do to yourself? Because he's really too young to have a fusion on his neck at that age. And he said that he had cracked his own neck and fractured a vertebra. So that can happen. So short answer, no, don't do it. Give it a month, you won't regret it. You won't have the urge for it. I'm going to end this video showing you this lovely picture of the Queen. God rest her soul.